Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the neuromuscular junction. What is the neuromuscular junction? It is a meeting point between the motor neuron in yellow and the muscle fiber right here. This is the membrane of the motor neuron in white. This is the membrane of the muscle fiber, the sarcolemma, in brown. These two membranes are in very close proximity to each other. However, they don't touch. The space between the membranes is the synaptic cleft. The synaptic cleft is filled with fluid. This part of the motor neuron is the axon terminals. The axon terminals, they are rich with these vesicles right here. These vesicles carries the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. When the nerve impulse reaches the axon terminal, these vesicles fuse. They release the acetylcholine, which diffuses through the synaptic cleft, and then it binds to its receptors on the sarcolemma. The binding of acetylcholine to its receptors changes the permeability of the sarcolemma to the sodium, potassium, and calcium. And as a result, the sarcomeres contract. The contraction of the sarcomere results in the contraction of the muscle fiber. Now let's zoom on one of the axon terminals right here. This model represents one axon terminal of a motor neuron. Keep in mind that each motor neuron ends with multiple axon terminals. This right here is the membrane of the axon terminal. This is the membrane of the muscle fiber, the sarcolemma. Both membranes are separated by the synaptic clefts. In the axon terminal, we can see the mitochondria and other neuron organelles. We can also see these vesicles. These vesicles are loaded with calcium ion right here, and they are loaded with a neurotransmitter acetylcholine. When the nerve impulse reaches the axon terminal, these vesicles fuse to the membrane. They release the acetylcholine to the synaptic cleft. Acetylcholine then binds to its receptors on the muscle fiber, the sarcolemma, and as a result, the muscle contracts. This part of the model represents the neuromuscular junction that we covered. I am sure you found the video helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content.